At ENPOINTE, of course we handle high-end coffee table books. Isn't this beautiful? Product launch kits. Through our kitting and fulfillment area, we deal with some of the world's largest brands. Top design firms and creative agencies. Isn't this one unique? Promotional products. Packaging. Direct mail. Through our on-site United States Post Office on a daily basis, we produce millions and millions of pieces of mail through our facility. We're always on point. Please look to call or contact your account executive today.